Hey guys, it's me Carter. Today we're going to be doing a triple unboxing review. Salty, Emily, and Donald. Okay, my grandpa got me these. So yeah, let's start with Salty. So here we have Salty. Package, first surprise logo, Thomas the First logo, Mattel logo, Motorized / Motor C, and its name down there. And let's look at the back. On this Go logo, look for our show. Front, as you can see, this is made in China. So yeah, track a little layout. In the background, looks good. So yeah, let's unbox him. Let's unbox him, shall we? Hey. Okay, he's out. Okay, Motorized Salty. Okay, let's take a look at his front. We have Salty, here's face, front, we got this coupling. Oh yeah, this 29. His number is 2,991. And here's his red switch. Maybe that doesn't work. I have to put in batteries. Production date is 250 day. Let's look at his box car. Or some boxes on the flat car. So yeah. Here's Salty. So yeah. Okay. Now I think because we Donald next. No, we're saving this special. Next up, we're gonna look at Motorized Emily. Motorized Emily is a model. Oh, I forgot. I forgot to look at the instructions. Whoop. Okay.